just walking down your middle school hallway and you see the kids with the latest new trend. It's not spinning, it's not a fidget spinner. It's that slime that you can create with glue. But there's only one problem. The slime gets all sticky, gets all messy, and it gets all over you, and you don't know how to get it off. I always try water, but it's not pressurized enough. But finally, I have the solution. You see this over here, it's not pressurized enough. This, with a little time and effort, it has enough pressure. You just have to turn it up. And sure, you can squirt it on your hands, no mess, no problem. Well, what about your face? What if you just accidentally get the slime on your face and you need a way to get it off? How do you do such things? But finally, I have the solution. That tastes disgusting. Take the nozzle, point it at your face, turn on the water, spray. You get in there. It might take a few tries. My phone's too wet. I can't do this. And just wipe it off with the nearest paper towel. For more helpful tips and tricks, subscribe to EXG Aaron, where we post videos non-daily. Thanks for watching. Come back next time. And subscribe. And like.